The following is a demo for the Trimble Forestry WSX Mobile application. The first screen you see when you log into the WSX Mobile App is this job screen. Active timber removal permits, TRPs, and timber transfer dockets, TTDs, are displayed on the screen as well as the diagnostic information. The four icons on the right of the screen, battery, list data, GPS connection, and cellular data connection, provide information based on the color of the icon. The WSX Mobile App also has a tutorial function if you wish to familiarize yourself with the TRP creation process. We recommend you run through this prior to creating a real TRP for the first time. To request a new TRP, an existing TRP for a stage load, or a new TTD, please select the plus symbol at the bottom right corner of the screen. To request a new TRP, click on the line next to the docket type and select TRP. To request a transfer, lorry loading or machinery move docket, select TTD. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a single TRP. Click on the line next to docket detail and select Request New TRP. Here, you can also request stage loads by selecting Request Existing TRP. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select the forest, CE04, and the harvest unit, H0012, from the displayed menus after clicking the corresponding lines. Once these have been selected, click on the arrow at the top right corner to send off your request. This action takes you back to the job screen, whilst the available sales orders, SOs, for the selected forest and HU combination are returned. This can take a few minutes depending on your coverage levels. An audible prompt will alert you when the available sales orders have been returned. Click on the red text to complete the sales orders selection. First, enter the start date and time. If you are requesting a job for Uplift the next day, change the date and time accordingly. Toggle on the overnight switch if you are delivering the load any day after the loading day. Next, you must select a trailer. If double handling when loading, please toggle on the double handling switch. If staging, please toggle on the staging switch and select the staging bay that will be used. To complete the rest of the TRP process, please click on the red text at the bottom of the screen. The first item you need to enter is the sales order number. If you are unsure what sales order to use, please contact the person that instructed you to do the load for confirmation. Note in the bottom right corner, the consignor of the load is displayed as quilcher or non-quilcher. This changes based on the sales order number you have selected. Next, select the destination and the log grade. Save all of these entries by selecting the disk icon at the top right of the screen. If the sales order selected was quilcher consigned, the principal contractor will now need to be selected. This is the quilcher contracted haulier who you are undertaking the load for. Once this is selected and you are happy with all your other selections, click on the arrow in the top right corner to send away your TRP request. This action takes you back to the job screen whilst WSX is processing your request. This can take a few minutes, depending on the current cellular coverage level of your Garmin. If the request has been successful, an audible prompt will alert you when the TRP has been returned. The final step in the process is TRP confirmation. This is done first by clicking the brown color Planned status. Next, please review your TRP information on the screen, and if all is correct, please click on the orange color Confirm button. This action takes you back to the job screen where you will see the orange Confirm status. You have now successfully requested a TRP. Once you start moving towards the HU, your current job status will change from orange confirmed to green en route. Your green job status changes to pink at crew when you arrive inside the geofence of the harvest unit or transfer bay you are loading in. At this point, a loader identification form will pop up on your screen. Please click on the Loaded By line and select the lorry that loaded you or forwarder if you were loaded by the harvesting contractor. If you are loading yourself, then please select your own registration/truck number. Once you have specified who you were loaded by, please click Send on the top right of the screen. Once you have left the geofence, the job status will update to purple loaded. From this status onwards, you are able to begin requesting your next TRP or TTD. When you arrive at the customer, the purple loaded status changes to a blue at customer status. If delivering to a non-AWS customer, the weight and photo return screen also pops up. A photo of the weight docket is required to be returned via the camera on the back of the Garmin. If you are unable to take a photo, please select the Decline button and appropriate reason. A free text option is also available. To take the photo, click on the Take Photo button and with your Garmin tablet in hand, direct the camera at your weight dockets, then click on the camera icon to take your photo. If you are happy with the photo taken and it is legible and shows all of the weight docket details, click on the tick to send this off. If you wish to retake the photo, click on the refresh arrow at the bottom right. Once the photo is taken successfully, text will appear saying it has been sent to Quilcher. Next, you must add your gross, tare and net weights and a weight docket number. Please scroll down to the bottom of the screen and add these. Each weight must contain 2 decimal places. As you add each weight, please touch the green tick button at the bottom right of the keypad. Once these have been entered correctly, they will change color from red to blue. Click on the arrow in the top right-hand corner to send off the weights. You have now completed the TRP process. Thank you for your time watching this video.